Good morning. This is Armando Castro Jr. and gusto ko i-share yung sinasabi nila sa kasulatan na the will of God. Ano po yung sinasabi dito sa will of God? Marami pong nagtuturo nito na will of God. Ito yung will of God. Pero hindi sinasabi kung ano yung will of God. So ang title natin dito is the will of God, the Father. So John chapter 6, sabi dito sa verse 39, "This is the will of the Father who sent me." Ito yung salita ng Panginoon Jesus mismo. Ayan. I should lose that. Ulitin ko. "This is the will of the Father who sent me, that all of He has given me, I should lose nothing, but should raise it up in the last days." So, last day. Raise it up on the last day. Naniniwala ako na ito yung rapture. Yan. In the last day. Kasi naniniwala ha. And sabi dito sa verse 40, "And this is the will of Him." Dito, Him is capital letter addressed to the Father. "Who sent me." Me is Panginoong Hesus. Siya yung nagsasalita rito. "That everyone who sees the Son in His time and believes in Him," Jesus Christ, "may have everlasting life, and I will raise him up at the last day." So, yun po yung will of the Father. Will of the Father, yung paniniwala sa Panginoong Kristo. Kung naniniwala ka sa Panginoong Kristo, you've been justified for all your sin, and you will have eternal life. Kung mamatay ka, naniniwala sa Panginoong Kristo, sa Bible says, sleep, bubuhay ka ng Panginoon sa rapture day. Makakasama po tayo sa rapture day. So, yun po mga kapatid, salamat sa pakikinig, and that is the will of the Father, ang manampalataya sa kanyang anak ng ating Panginoong Kristo at tagapagligtas. May God bless you all. Bye. See you in heaven.